Hello you guys, welcome to Journey with Char. I come to you today, my first time using the Instapot by Pioneer Woman that is made by Hamilton Beach, and I'm so excited. So I'm following directions on the YouTube channels, different YouTube channels, and what I know is that they said you want to saute this first. So in here I have some of this olive oil, I have some of this avocado oil, I'm sorry, not olive oil, and a little bit of butter. And what I'm gonna do, I'm about to stick the meat inside, so you guys stay tuned for that. So I have been so afraid to use this, and I said today I have got to make sure that this is working well. So I'm excited to see so far, you guys. It is working out very well. This is my first time ever using an Instapot, and I just feel it just feels strange. Let me get that kind of flat so it can saute pretty good. And this is a 2-pound roast, not that big. It's just 3 of us. And usually I eat meat on Sunday, so today this is the Sunday meal. So far what I have here is some cut up onions. I have some carrots here. I have some garlic. I have some potatoes. I have some green bell pepper and the low sodium broth here. And then I have just a little bit of thyme, and we're gonna let this all come together. And I also have mashed potatoes on the oven as well. I'm gonna make some homemade mashed potatoes. So we're gonna let this get nice and brown, because this is what I saw on the channels that said you want to make sure. And I love, what I am loving about this, you guys, you can saute in this and do everything in the same pot. This is what's different about the crock pot. You want to get that browning. I'm so happy that they have this option where we can saute and get all this done in one pot. This is amazing. I'm so excited. I can't wait. So this is a 2-pound. I think I'm supposed to let this cook for about an hour. I saw a girl on YouTube. Can you wipe that out? On YouTube, and she said that hers was the same amount, the size as mine, and she cooked hers for about an hour. So I think that that's exactly what I'm going to do. So we're making sure everything gets brown. It's getting brown. We want that browning to be even. Really, really pretty. So it's coming along. So I'm going to let this get brown, you guys, and then once I flip the meat, I'll let you see what it looks like on one side. And then we'll move forward to putting all of the vegetables and then close it up. That's the nervous part. I'm so nervous about closing this thing up, you guys. So I'm going to check it again before I even close it, because I'm just like, oh Lord, I want to make sure I'm doing this right. Okay, you guys, so stay tuned when I flip it over and let you see what it looks like sauteed, okay? Okay, you guys, so this, I have flipped it, and it's browning, and then I'm going to take it out, put it back into this. Well, I rinsed this out, make sure I got all the raw meat juice out, and I'm going to place it back in here, and then that's when I'm going to saute the veggies, and then we're good to go. But I did get one of these Lipton soup mix. I did see one of the girls, well, several, not even just one. I saw several people use the Lipton soup mix. So I'm going to try that in this. I am sauteing the onions. This is the pot roast here. And I'm just getting a little bit of sauteed onions. And my camera went out. And I wanted to say that I saw some of the ladies use some of this recipe secret onion soup mix, the Lipton onion soup mix. So I'm going to try it today. So right now, we have that in here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this garlic in here. I'm going to add a little bit of this thyme. I'm going to add the bell pepper. And I'm going to stir that really, really nice. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to take this onion and bell pepper out, and then I'm going to put the meat back in, and then I'll add that back on top, okay? So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I have placed the roast back into the Instapot. These are the vegetables that I'm going to place back on top of the Instapot. Back on top of the pot roast. The roast. And then I'm going to add some carrots in here. I'm going to add some carrots in here, y'all. I'll just put them in there chunks. I like big chunky carrots. And then we have some potatoes. We're going to toss down in here. Nice amount of potatoes. Add the whole thing of this Lipton onion soup mix. So that's what we have so far in here. It looks delicious. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm just gonna tell y'all the truth. I'm not a real big meat eater, so this is my first roast. My aunt used to make it a lot, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. There we go. And a little bit more pepper. And I think we should be done. That should be enough seasoning here. Okay, now I'm going to add in some beef broth. Some organic beef broth. Okay. Sorry for all the steam, you guys. Alright, now we're going to pour some of that down in there. And this is low sodium. That should be enough, huh? Alright, you guys, and now I'm about to seal it. Okay, you guys, so now it looks like it's counting down. So I did something right. I'm so excited. I was so intimidated. So now we're going to see what it's like. I've let this sit for an hour, cook for an hour, because it's just a 2-pound roast. And so we'll see what it looks like, you guys, so stay tuned. Just finished my homemade mashed potatoes, and we're at 33 minutes. And now all I have to do is my vegetables, and mommy's making cornbread. And you guys, and we'll be ready to eat. Okay, you guys, I just pushed it over to the vent with the spoon, and it's releasing all of the air, and we'll see what it looks done. You guys stay tuned. You guys, I just opened it, and look how the beef is. It's just breaking up. I am so proud of myself. So mommy wants to taste it. I don't have a spoon. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is make a little slurry with some cornstarch and a little bit of water, and add that to this so that it can get a little thicker for the gravy. But you guys, this is my first pot roast, so mommy's going to taste it. Look how that meat is just breaking up. I am so excited about this. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, taste that. I'm so excited, you guys. It smells so good. Tell me how that tastes. My first pot roast. It looks so delicious, you guys. So let me get the slurry and I'll mix it. Oh, mommy says it's good. Okay, you guys, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I have a little slurry here. I'm mixing that up really, really well. And I'm going to add that to this just so that it can get a little thicker. And there we go. You guys, I am so, my family is like, girl, it is just breaking up. You guys see how it's just breaking? Yeah. It's really, really good. So I'm very, very proud of myself. I was a little nervous, but now that some of you guys gave me good advice, like do not be nervous, just use it. And I'm telling you, thank God I followed some of the advice you gave, and also these YouTube channels that really helped me. So now I'm going to plate up mashed potatoes, and I'm going to do it and the beef, and I'm going to put it all on the plate and let you guys see what the finished product look like. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so that is the finished product. This is homemade mashed potatoes here. Got some cornbread, got some vegetables here, and this pot roast, y'all. Look how this pot roast is just breaking up. It is just, I am so excited about this. So there we go. And that is my first pot roast made in the Instant Pot, Pioneer Woman Instant Pot. And I'm so excited, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if this is your first time ever tuning in to Journey with Char, make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. Make sure you leave a comment and also give me a thumbs up, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and you all have a lovely week to come and a lovely evening, morning, evening, afternoon, whichever time it is in your area. Bon appetit. Thank you so much. See you soon. God bless. Bye-bye.